Hello again. Tonight it's Crème Pâtissière with Thermomix. Crème Pâtissière is one of those recipes that you'll want to have in your repertoire. It's super easy to make with Thermomix and very versatile. It is used to fill desserts like cream puffs, eclairs, donuts, fruit tarts and cakes. You can mix it with equal parts of double cream, which makes a lightened up version. Depending on what you're making, you can flavour it with espresso powder, cocoa for chocolate, any liqueur, lavender, Earl Grey tea, whatever takes your fancy really.
Hello! This afternoon, we are making crème pâtisserie to go in the pâté sablé, the sweet pastry cases. We're going to make strawberry and raspberry tarts. So crème pâtisserie is a much thicker version. It's the stuff that goes in custard tarts and it fills profiteroles and choux buns, etc. So we'll start off 500 grams of whole milk. There we go.
Is that just milk or is there something in there?
I put a little bit of cream in. Right, so 70 grams of sugar and 40 grams of corn flour. Corn flour being the thickening agent. There we go. Next, 2 large eggs and 2 egg yolks. In we go, and I've put the vanilla in there as well. Similar to custard, insert the measuring cup. 7 minutes, 90 degrees, speed 4. So we'll see you when that's done, and then I'm going to just fill these pastry cases.
It's not cold.
Here we are. Quite a thick custard, as you can see. Just going to taste it, make sure it's sweet enough. Lovely. So here we go. Pour it in. And that will set. Thank you, Harry, for making background noise. See you later. And here it is, just finished strawberry and raspberry tart with crème pâte. Hope it goes down okay.
This version or recipe was made with corn flour, which makes it gluten-free as well. Win-win. If you want to see more, get in touch.